Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to your Tangem wallet. Okay, by the way, this is the official guide from Tangem. So let's get started. Now first you need to open your crypto.com platform and log into your account. Now you go to your account section and you select the asset that you wish to withdraw. And once you select the asset, click on withdraw and then choose from the options external wallet address. Now this will take you to a new page where you can add and confirm your external wallet. Just click on add withdrawal address and go ahead and choose the correct network and paste your Tangem address. Just make sure that it is the correct one and then check the I am the owner of this address box, and under wallet type enter others or self-custody wallet, and in the label field enter Tangem. Now you need to enter your SMS OTP one-time password and the 6-digit two-factor authentication code. Then go ahead and click on Save Address. Go ahead and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. And if the app requests a memo, go ahead and check the box for no memo required for my wallet. Go ahead and tap on Review Withdrawal. Just go ahead and review the transaction details and enter your OTP and two-factor authentication code again. Tap again on Confirm Withdrawal, and that's it. And once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, you can see your balance in a Tangem. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.